let's start with our next tools, which is known as retouching tool. So the first retouching tool is spot healing brush tool. So first click on open to open an image. Now here I am going to select this image and click on open. So this is the image. Now click on spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool is used to remove unwanted areas of an image. For example, you can remove acne or dust spot from an image. So after selecting the spot healing brush tool, here is the option. You can increase or decrease the brush size. Next is the hardness of the brush. Next is the spacing of the brush. You can give the angle to brush. So and next is the roundness of the brush. Next is the mode option. Here you can select various modes to heal the brush. Here I am going to click on replace. Next is the type option. There are various types. So first is the content aware. So by using the content aware, you can heal the image. Next is the create texture. You can give the texture to heal the image. And next is the proximity match, which is used to give the proper color to the image. Now here I am going to check on sample all layers, and next is the angle of the brush. So here I am going to click on content aware. Here I am going to give the brush size, and here the mode will be replaced. Now by using left curly bracket you can decrease the size, and by using right curly bracket you can increase the size of the brush. Now let's start. Now here I am going to decrease the brush size with the help of the curly bracket. Now here I am going to select proximity match and just click it. Now here I am going to click on texture. So you can give texture. This is how we had learned today spot healing brush tool.